Removing split screen mode in Fortnite.
Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to remove the split screen image in Fortnite, a feature you might have activated by accident or no longer need. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step.
What is split screen mode in Fortnite?
Split screen mode in Fortnite is a feature that allows two players to play together on the same screen, essentially splitting the display in two. This can be a fun way to play with a friend locally, but if you want to go back to full screen mode, you'll need to deactivate it.
How did I activate split screen?
Split screen mode is activated when a second player logs in on the same console. The game automatically splits the screen to accommodate both players. But if you're playing alone and the screen is split, it could be because a second controller is connected and logged in.
How to deactivate split screen mode?
Here is the simple process to remove the split screen mode. Step 1. Check if there's a second controller connected to your console. If there is, simply turn it off. Step 2. If the game is still split screen, the second player needs to leave the game. To do this, press the pause button, then navigate to the main menu. Step 3. In the main menu, select the option to leave match or log out. Confirm your selection. The split screen mode should now be deactivated, and your game should return to full screen mode. And there you have it. That's how you remove split screen mode in Fortnite. Hopefully, this guide was clear and easy to follow. Happy gaming and enjoy your full screen Fortnite experience.